I'm here in my new kitchen, and one of the things I want to do, one of the reasons I moved to this new house is because I wanted to establish new habits. And one of the new habits I want to establish is to go plastic free. So this coffee maker here runs hot water through plastic. There's plastic tubes, there's plastic filters. So every time I'm running hot water through, just a little bit of plastic is running down in my coffee. So to eliminate that, I first got this Bodum French press, but the problem with it is that even though it's mostly glass, it's got this black plastic that it's still running hot water through. Someone recently pointed that out on a video and they were right. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I got this one. So I figured we'd open it up together. So we've got, this is all stainless steel, hopefully. So there's no contact with any plastic going on here in this French press. And then I have an electric water heater to heat up the water for the French press. My old stovetop one got corroded on the inside, so I threw it out. This is, who's this from? Coise. I liked it because they had a cool color and it kind of looked a little bit retro. So it's got a little thermometer on the front, all steel on the inside, except for that cardboard I just push out. So that's just a thermometer in there. And then the induction turns on with this little switch. So it's just got this bottom here. So what I'll do is oh, that's the top, sorry. Here's the induction. So I'll get this going, I'll get some coffee brewing, and we'll try it out. So it's like staying steady at around 200 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and it's like settling down. So I think it tops off at 212. Oh, it's shaking now. Okay. It's got an auto shut-off switch, but I'm just going to shut it off and then pour it out. Okay. Whoa. And just let that sit for, I don't know, 5 minutes or something. Never done a timer on here. Timer. Where's the timer? Oh, there it is. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay. Push it down. You know, I heard someone say one time that you're not supposed to push this down, but my parents always push it down, so I don't know. Like you're just supposed to pour off the top or whatever. My last video on this was my first time ever doing it like on my own, and I'll be honest with you, this is the second time I've ever tried to do it on my own. So you are seeing 100% of my attempts to do French press on my own. And I'm pressing down pretty hard on this, and it's going down slow. Now for the big reveal. Let's see what happens when I pour it out here. Okay, that's looking a lot darker than it was last time. Nice thing about the Bodum is that you can see what's in it, you know, through the glass. But I would call this a success. Cheers.